So this word in this verse 42, in the beginning, second line says Shrutva Yogeshwareshwaraha. So we've been hearing comments on the meaning of this word, that Krishna is the supreme master of yogi, and master yogi, he can expand himself like Silbari Rishi in 50 forms, or he can expand, or not even expand, but in one form, he can easily, the Acharyas, Jiva and Vishnu, cited the example of 10th canto, chapter 69, verse 2, and Dwarka Lila, where Narada Muni went and he saw with his own eyes, there's one Krishna, but that one Krishna is simultaneously so fast, so inconceivably Achintya Shakti. He's in all 16,108 palaces at the same time doing something different. It wasn't different forms, it was one form everywhere. So these verses are cited to show this is how Krishna is Yogeshwara. And yeah, he's Yogeshwareshwara. He's the master, the Ishvara of the Ishvaras of yoga. So these verses are giving an example of how he's the great Yogeshwara. No one can ever do what Krishna can do.